Hey guys, I am back. I am doing another Planner Society unboxing, and this is probably by far my favorite kit of all time. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to start off with the Washi Tape Society kit, and I am seriously in love with all of these colors. These washi's are just so pretty. You have a thicker washi, a medium regular size washi, and then a thinner washi. These are just so gorgeous. I love them so much. I'm super excited to use those. We have the Sticker Society kit, and everything is foiled, and I am just I am so in love with Holo right now. So it is just, this is absolutely my favorite kit. Look at how pretty that Holo is. It's crazy. I love that. And I love the font, like the really simple font. That font is just everything to me. It's so good. Next up, we have the Box Sticker Society kit, and all of the sheets are cut like this so that you can fold them and insert them into your TN. So we have the full box checklists right here. Comes with a couple of heart checklist flags and some hearts. These are the full boxes, the decorative full boxes. Here are the half boxes, quarter boxes, and washi strips. And then some headers and some deco stickers and some banners and bows. As always in the main kit, you get 8.5 by 11 double-sided papers, and I wanted to show you what these patterns are. I love all the pastels. I love all the pastels. And these colors, oh, so pretty. And this right here, this sheet, it has this kind of like a glitter overlay. It's a really great special effect. I love it. Such a pretty paper. And then this one also has that kind of glitter overlay. I can't really describe how the paper feels. It's not like any of the other papers that she's had in her other kits before. It's thicker, and it's a different kind of cardstock feel. It's very interesting. I love it so much. So those are the papers that you get, and then also it comes with, here's the acetate. I love these unicorn floaties. And then here is one of the floral vellums, and then this is the other floral vellum, and it's Holo foil, so that's just stunning. The other thing I was super excited for was this sticker book. This sticker book is so cute, and I cannot wait to fill it up with all of my stickers. It's really cool because it has the pockets in front and on the back. Love it. This super cute stamp. I am so obsessed with this pen. All of these colors are seriously so me. I love it. And I love that floral pattern, and I'm just obsessed with this pen. There's the washi from the main kit. Super cute unicorns. You get a unicorn felt paper clip. These are the tabs that come this month, and I love the color of the stickers, the word stickers. It's this really pretty like peachy color. It's so pretty. I love that. Love this little patch. It's so glittery and sparkly. And here is the sticky notes. And of course, these adhesive pockets with the hollow bows are so pretty. And I love how the pocket has a scalloped edge. It's just so dainty and perfect, and I am just obsessed with these. They're so good. You also get these really cute stickers. They're really shimmery and sparkly. Are the decorative stickers that come in the kit, in the main kit. You have those. Girls with, I love that TPS hat. So cute. And then these word stickers. They're my favorite because they are foiled. They're Holo foiled. Love those. Next we have the die cuts. There are so many die cuts in this kit. I'll just go through them. And there are the cards that are foiled. Break the rules. The possibilities are endless.